In this module, I'm going to show you two very simple dishes that you can eat for breakfast or any other time. In the first lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie, and that incorporates a healthy source of protein that is right for your blood type. It also includes fruits and vegetables, as well as some healthy fats. In the other lesson, I will be showing you how to cook eggs in different ways. And it's in this lesson about eggs where you will start to learn about dry and moist cooking methods, as well as heat control. So let's get started.